Welcome to the Icon Series LED screens presentation. With frame sizes of 50 plus 50 centimeters. LED modules of 25 plus 25 centimeters for indoor, 50 plus 25 for outdoor, and universal installation mounting. 100% rear maintenance. Quick replacement of the module, which includes the power supply and electronic equipment. Special corner protector at all four edges of the frame. Curvable design, from -5 to +5 degrees. Welcome to the Icon LED Screen Series installation instructions video. Securing the panels horizontally is simple and easy. Just push and rotate counterclockwise the knob. Then pull down the securing lever into its locking position. Icon panels can be installed horizontally with 4 different angles. To do so, pull up the securing level to its unlocking position, turn clockwise the knob so it would be released with the help of the spring. Select the desired angle by rotating the mechanical knob. Then, fit the next panel and secure it as described. Securing the Icon panels vertically requires only 2 steps. Push up the knob until you will hear the click sound. Then, turn the knob counterclockwise to its locking position. For dismantling, turn clockwise the knob to its unlocking position, and press the releasing knob on the upper panel. This will release the securing pin with the help of the spring. Removing the panels and control module requires only few steps. Remove the 4 securing screws of the panel, and while holding the handle, push it outwards. The control module is fitted with 4 clips, which can be released by hand, and 2 securing screws on each side. When released, pull out the module from the frame gently. This can make a malfunctioning panel back to order in very short time with the on-site replacing of the control module. After dismantling your screens, don't forget to use the protective metal modules for the panel's corners.